Hey everybody, it's Kyle Winn here with Sage Realty, and today I wanted to give you the answer to the question that you're probably already asking yourself, and I know it's a question that many of our past clients have asked us before, so I wanted to make this quick video and tell you exactly what title insurance is all about and why you need it. Now to start off, we need to answer the question, what is a title? Many of you may not be familiar with this, especially if you have not purchased a property in the past, but the most simple way I can put it is that the title to a piece of property is essentially the evidence that the owner is in lawful possession of that property. The title is recorded with the county in which the property is located, and you can have a title rep pull a report on this at pretty much any time, and it'll tell you all about the property and who's in lawful possession. Now to get into title insurance, what we need to ask ourselves is, what is title insurance and what does it exactly cover? Now title insurance protects against claims from defects on the title. Defects might be things such as another person claiming an ownership interest in the property, or maybe an improperly recorded document with the county, and other things such as fraud, forgery, liens, encroachments, and other types of defects that are specified in the insurance policy. Those types of defects would be covered by the title insurance policy. So now that we know what a title is and what title insurance is, you might be asking, how is title insurance different from other types of insurance policies? Now you might be familiar with car insurance, health insurance, and maybe life insurance, things like that. Those types of insurance policies protect you against potential future events and is paid for with monthly or annual premiums. A title insurance policy insures you against events that occurred in the past and the people who owned it for a one-time premium paid at the close of escrow. So who needs title insurance? Buyers and lenders both need title insurance in order to be insured against those possible title defects that I explained earlier. Now, because title insurance protects both home buyers and lenders, there are two types of title insurance to suit the end user's needs. There's a lender's policy and there's an owner's policy. Now, a lender's policy is generally required when a lender issues a loan on a property, and the lender's policy protects just the lender's interest in the property should a problem with the title arise. It does not protect the buyer. Now, the other type of policy, the owner's policy, provides coverage for the buyer, for the homeowner, and it is valid for as long as the owner or their heirs have an interest in the property. Now, only an owner's policy protects the buyer should one of those covered defects arise with the title that was not found during a title search when the home was being purchased. So now that you know these different types of title insurance policies and who they protect, you might be wondering who actually pays for these policies. Now, state laws and customs vary on who pays for the title insurance, but home buyers typically cover the cost for the lender's title insurance, as they are the one who is taking the loan from the lender. Now, the person who pays for the owner's title insurance policy can vary, and a lot of times it's the buyer, but also the seller might offer to pay for the title policy as an offering to help with the sale of their property. So that's negotiable, just like many other terms of a purchase contract for a property. Could be the seller, it could be the buyer. Just talk to your agent and see what they might recommend for your particular situation. So now we know what a title is, what title insurance is for, and who pays for it, but now we need to know when exactly is the policy created. So when the transaction is complete and title has been confirmed to have been recorded with the county and escrow is closed, then demands are paid, funds are dispersed, and things like that, the actual title insurance policy is created for the lender, if applicable, and the homeowner, and you will likely receive a copy in the mail or possibly through email as well. Well, I hope you found this information helpful, and now hopefully you have a pretty good idea of what a title is, what title insurance is, and why it's so important for you home buyers out there. If you have any questions about anything that I covered, or you'd like me to go in greater detail on anything, go ahead and drop that in the comments below, or find my email in the description of this video, and feel free to send me a message. I'd be happy to get back to you. Now, before you leave, be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell so you can see all my future videos about buying and selling real estate.